Hi friends and family, I'm Deborah.
And I'm Adelaide.
And welcome to our backyard. We were on vacation and got home and everything is growing. The weeds are growing, the plants are growing. So come with us and let's see what it looks like.
This is my garden. I planted stuff and I have marigolds and one morning glory.
We have tons of blackberries and they are being protected by our bird and bug cover. This is the Japanese garden area. I got my maple, coral bark maple. See, it has red bark and beautiful bright green leaves. And then my ginkgo biloba, and then my little bonsai mugo pine, and then a pretty little topiary.
We're gonna have a shower.
We've cleaned up the raised beds, and over here we have some pretty little violas still growing. Look how pretty. And then check out these tomatoes. The tomatoes are going all the way up to the top of the garage. They are getting so big. We also have potatoes in brown bags, and we have some peppers in these two beds. A new plant for us this year is the Litchi Tomato, and it is really spiky, and we just have some new flowers on it. So take a look. Aren't these different? They have little yellow centers and little white petals. Very cool. And look, you can see the spikes. Very prickly plant. Check out this ground cherry plant. I have never had one grow this tall before.
Wow.
In this last raised bed, we have a sunflower, and I think it must be one of the mammoth sunflowers because it is big. The flower hasn't come out yet, but wow, it is huge. We have a few Asiatic lilies left, and then some of these trumpet lilies came when we were on vacation.
Can I smell them?
Yeah, you can smell them. Our hydrangeas are coming back. Yay! This year I really wanted to increase the birds in the garden to see if they would eat the Japanese beetles. So we added in some bird feeders and a little bird bath that my husband got for me. And we have definitely had a lot more birds. We've even had one little family of birds, 4 little eggs, and they have hatched and they are growing. The mommy keeps going to get them worms and bringing them back. So it's so fun to watch.
Yeah. Mom.
Mm-hmm. From last year.
The red hot pokers came back from last year.
Look, here they are. And they're multiplying. So pretty.
The things I found. I found a bloom this morning of some type of flower, a morning glory flower, in the digging area.
Cool. It's starting to rain. Canna lilies are starting to put out more flowers. Very pretty.
Can we show the butter?
We got caught in a downpour. We'll see if it lets up.
Yay.
This is going to be the first year that we have poppies growing in the garden, which I'm so excited about that I got them to germinate from seed. We also have some bachelor's buttons in this wildflower area.
The blueberries are turning blue. I saw one in the blueberry bush we have in our garden. There's one right there.
These are Brussels sprouts, and we'll see if we get some. It might be getting too hot for them.
Wow.
banana trees, and we pulled out the extra pea plants so that we can make room for cucumbers to grow up this trellis. These wispy things are the asparagus after they go to seed. Uh-oh, there's a Japanese beetle. Watch out, they're coming.
Rainbows.
Pretty little flower area. There's still a few flowers on the foxgloves. And then we got some pretty peach begonias. You can hear all the thunder. Whee.
I have a ground cherry in Adelaide's garden. It is still green, but I hope I get to eat it.
The heuchera have put up their pretty flowers once it started to get really hot. It looks so pretty. And then the clematis is going to seed. They make those pretty little frilly seed heads.
OMG. I found a blackberry. Yummy.
Thanks for hanging out with us. It's getting hot as the storm is rolling in, so we're picking a few blackberries and going back inside. Hope you guys are enjoying your summer break, and hopefully you are enjoying watching your garden grow. All right, love you guys. Bye-bye.